I am the Cataclysm! I will bury you.
You're toying with death!
I am Deathwing.
Soon. Void or change.
Watch orb.
Range group, watch out for the orb.
Good spell troll.
Ward hit.
Oh, sack line.
Sack.
Skip hit. Going right.
Kill scat, please.
Rob sack line.
Shadow.
Okay, coming straight into you guys.
Big heals, big heals, big heals.
BF is up.
Get ready to move after this. Move, move,
Oh,
move. I'm rezzing Brandon. Keep going. Pay attention. Lion vamp blood here as soon as this phase starts. Good.
Phase 2.
Big heals. Cookies if you're low, please. Don't die.
Phase 1.
One mana tide here. Just pay attention, guys. Really good phase. Let's get a good burn on boss here.
Orb is in 3.
Orb soon. Void or change. Shadows on you.
Stack for raid heals.
Spell Mord, please.
Dispel more. Is that what you said?
Yes.
Lay on hands him if you can. Big raid heals, big raid heals. Keep up the raid heals. Good job.
Keep your
Next set of
second.
eyes are going out.
Skip hit. A little bit to the left. Nice. Thank you for the
Miles sack line.
Ronald's hitting.
Oh, sack line.
We're moving here.
Move,
Yeah,
move.
move,
Go to your
move,
sides.
move.
Go to your sides. Go to your sides. Shut up
Oh,
here.
stick line.
Relax. Let it hit. Let it hit.
Okay, never mind.
This is him and Trank from the
Phase
other
2.
druid. Pay the fuck attention here, guys.
Tyler, you gotta watch me. Oh,
I'll read you after this. I was watching meta. It's my bad.
no, you're good. Don't worry. I think we both had it.
Big raid heals. Cookies if you're low. Defensive now. Rezzing you, Brian.
Phase 1.
Yep.
Mine.
Keep up the raid heals. Let's get the second mana tide when we can here. When we get back into the
Oopsie.
middle. Drac, you call if you think we should just burn.
Void or change.
It's likely going to be just a stay and burn.
Okay.
It's going
If
towards
we,
you.
if we get this dropped in on the
I got
right timing, we'll be good to burn.
Stack here.
When are we lost?
Ward hit.
Raid heals.
Well, lust when we do
Rob
burn.
sack line.
Right up. It's drinking something.
No, we hold CDs for next phase.
Yes, hold CD. Yeah, we're gonna be sub 40. We're gonna stack him. Skip hit.
Far right,
watch out, hunters.
Rob, you're gonna AM into this phase.
We gotta move. Big move right.
Dispel meta.
Gotta hit
Big
that.
right, move right, move right, move right.
Dispel Mord, please.
Cookies here.
Oh, sack line.
Entire raid will stack on Tyler.
Chrono's hitting. Chrono's hitting.
You're stacking on Moon here, guys.
Move right, move right, move right.
Move right, team.
Now we're getting out after this.
Don't get on this one.
No.
Don't get on this
This
one.
line. This line.
Move out here, let it hit, and we're stacking on
Do it.
boss.
Make it hit.
Mine dunk it. Mine dunk it. You need to dunk.
We're gonna make it hit here, and we're gonna stack on boss in the middle.
Lust.
Lust here.
Stack it in lust. Get on. Go. Get on.
Phase 2.
AM here. I'm Lion. Do your thing. AM on top of us. I'm tranking. Moss VSAC. Pink bubble if you have it. It's just big radials here.
Hey, I'm out.
Just burn boss.
Phase 1.
My god.
Shit.
Fucking hate that bitch, dude. Yo, Kong?